What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a different type of video. I haven't done one of these videos in a really long time. I've done a couple of these and that's pretty much cutting my hair. I know you guys are like, what, Kiwi, you just cut your hair, it's finally growing back to the length you wanted and now you're cutting it again. Yes, I do. I for one think that my hair is extremely damaged. For one, it's very like, I don't know, it's like really thin here, but it's like really like healthy up here. So I just feel like it's a bit damaged in here. So that's pretty much how I want to cut it. Now, I am not a professional at all. I'm not a cosmetologist at all. Don't claim to be. So don't come at me. Don't judge me for that. In this video, I am going to attempt to do, I guess it would be called a blunt bob. I think it's the name of it. I'm not really sure. I don't know the trendy name. I just know that I have some inspo. I have just really been into the style lately and I think it's going to be so cute for the fall and winter. And again guys, like I always say, it's just hair. It is just hair. You can cut your hair bald and it will grow back. Like, it is just hair. It is not that big of a deal. So for me, I'm one of those people where I'm so happy because I think it's just hair. It'll grow back and my hair grows extremely fast, which you guys already know because in my last video, which was a couple months ago, when I did cut my hair, I told you guys that I had just cut my hair. It has already grown back to the length that it was when I cut it, and that was only a few months ago. So my hair grows extremely fast because I do take women's vitamin and I do take really good care of my hair, so it does grow. I'm not really worried about it. Again, it's just hair. I'm excited to cut it, and that is enough rambling. I feel like I already talked enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it before I talk myself out of cutting it. Right at their shoulder, bottom of the neck, like right there, clavicle bone area. I think that's pretty much where I want to go. I've had my hair cut at that length before. I think about 2 years ago I cut my hair to that length, so I think I want to cut it to that length again. Set this up like this, and I already have it part in the middle. So it's better to cut off not enough than to cut off too much. So I think my goal is like right at my shoulder here. So I think I'm gonna do clavicle bone just to be on the safe side, because like I said, that will be, if I have to take off more, it'll be fine. So keeps coming in and out. Problems with shooting in natural lighting. Here we go, and we're going right above the ponytail. I did it. Oh wow, okay. Okay, not bad. I like it, and I don't think I want to go shorter. I do want to do layers, but I don't think, yeah, I don't think I want to go shorter or anything like that. I really like it. I like it, guys. I feel like it's like rounding out my face, so I do want to do like a layer or two, just like around my face. So I really like it. Like, okay, Let me find out. And it's just like so, I don't know, I just felt like it was just so like weighed down before. This is good. I definitely need to run this flat iron over it a little bit, but I like it, guys. I really do. Okay, so, and it just, like I said, I just felt like it was weighed down before, and now I don't feel like it's weighed down anymore. Like, it's just so cute. I love it. Okay, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm not a professional. I am not a cosmetologist or anything like that. This is just, sometimes I just randomly feel like cutting my hair, and this is just so happened to be one of those times. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.